So let's talk a little bit about what we're going to be doing tomorrow. So in my experience, I've had 2 prior procedures with an excellent doctor based out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. He did a great job lowering my hairline and building out my temporal peaks. One issue I had though after each surgery I had was that I'm very active. I'm into lifting weights. And I think that the tension put on my neck from different barbell exercises kind of stretched my scar out. So I'd like to try to fill in my linear scar. And can you talk a little bit about what that will entail?
Sure. So yeah, what's going on with Lance is he's had a couple of procedures and he's got very nice results, but he has a little bit of a widening in his donor scar. Now, interestingly enough, when you look at him, you can't tell that when you see him. You really have to go looking for that. You have to comb through his hair to be able to see that. So that's sometimes it is a fear of a lot of patients that they're going to have a horrible scar. But the truth is, you know, Lance, you've got a little bit of scarring. We're going to be able to fix that with follicular unit extraction. But I mean, really, when you look at the back of your head, you can't tell that there's anything there. You really have to go looking for it with a comb. But our plan for you tomorrow is we're going to, you know, take and clipper your hair down short around the back, and we're going to extract a certain number of follicular units with FUE, follicular unit extraction, and we're going to literally transplant them into the scar so that we're able to camouflage that scar quite nicely. And that's actually one of the origins of follicular unit extraction and what it was originally used for, is doing small cases and filling in areas of scar, and then it sort of evolved into a larger process. And in some cases that's been a good evolution, in some cases it's been a very bad evolution. But what we're using tomorrow for you is a perfect application for follicular unit extraction.